3 minutes yon. So, ano yung sinasabi mo kanina? Ah.
He wants you to read it, which you're busy na.
I have no time to read, actually. I can't read at this point in my life. But, can you just verbalize it na lang and precise mo na lang sa akin? Hindi ko talaga maintindihan. Mag-isip ng mag-isa. Eh, di ba it's two to tango in a relationship? So, why won't he talk to me? Why? I'm here. Yeah, so why won't he talk to me? Hindi, ikaw lang kausap ko dito at karap pa kita. So just tell me why you won't talk to me.
Uli lang. Lasing din kaya.
Ka-life niya. Ay, nako, Patrick. You know what? You got me more confused. You really got me really more confused now.
Ay, sinasa na naman niya, B. Oh my God.
Nakakabwisit lang kasi he's not opening up to me. So, syempre, ako naman si Fran eh.
Kaya nga pinaghahandaan niya kung anong sasabihin niya sa'yo.
Eh, bakit ako?
Hindi naman tayo pare-pareho, ate. Oh, anong iba yun? Pagkakaiba ka mo?
Hindi rin. Kasi we're both human. And then, syempre, alam niyang kalagayan ko. So, bakit niya tutuloy ng gano'n, di ba? If he already knows me. Hindi enough. We've been already together for almost 3 years na. Is that not enough? No, it's different kasi we know more of each other inside it and the situation. So I think that's important then.
Kaya nga magsasama na sila. Ayan lang yun eh.